Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum guys. It's been quite some time I did a review video of a product because I've been doing more of TikTok videos because I took a course and I was trying lots of TikTok videos. So that's the reason I've been not doing much videos on YouTube. But today I'm back with one of the products which is giving me and like around 6,000 to 7,000 people who are in that group, one of the groups where they are getting results like crazy. Okay, so this is a product by Jonathan Montoya. I did a video one before, but this is a video I want to do just to show you inside their product, which is because he has recently launched a product which is a second part. Because normally anybody who releases a course, if they are able to release the second and third part, means it's basically they are able to get success out of it. So that's the reason I want to do a review video on this product, which is giving me as well as thousands of people results. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, this is the, if you're first time watching me, this is the channel here. I do more videos on make money online and all those opportunities online. Okay, so let's jump on straight to the product. So what I'm talking about is a product called Freedom Breakthrough. Let me just go into the sales page just quickly because I don't want to waste even a single bit of a time. I'll just go straight to the product and just to show you what is inside. Okay, Freedom Breakthrough 2. That's why what I'm trying to say is it was Freedom Breakthrough 1, which has been doing very well for the 1 year. So who is Jonathan Montoya? He is part of of course, he like 1 year before he's been like joined, if you have heard about Legendary Marketer, as well as Steve's product. Many of the products, what he has been able to do is he been able to achieve their top affiliator. I mean, that means he was able to generate lots of sales under their program, like under Legendary Marketer, under Steve's product. So he has been able to learn from the top guys. That's what I'm trying to say. He has learned from those top guys and he has launched his own product. The first one was Freedom Breakthrough 1, and now it is 2, which he calls it as Affiliate Stacking Ecosystem. So this is what I'm going to show you now because I've been able to get results through his product. So I want to make sure that I show that product which is giving me results as well as lots of people. Just to give you the information, just if you want, go and check his Facebook page. This is what it is, around 7,000 people here, and he's been able to get keep lots and lots of people within the community, and he's been able to show results to them. Even those people who join them are able to get results. So you can go check his channel here as well. So anyway, let's jump onto the product just to show you what you'll be able to get. Before I even start about this Freedom Breakthrough 2, it is a high ticket product. Okay, if you're a beginner, if you're a newbie, if you can't afford to pay high ticket, then this might not be for you. But still, if you want to test before you want to buy this product, whether if you want to buy this Freedom Breakthrough 2, which is a high ticket price product, and to see whether it is going to be worth it, there's also another option, which is this one. What he has done is, which he called it as Value Ladder. I have told you many times. See, this is what Value Ladder. This what he does is 3-day business challenge, which is like a smaller version of it, which is for $7. Which you've seen me in even in TikTok and other places. I promote this one because I was able to get results. So that's why I'm showing for others as well. Day 1, day 2, day 3. This 3 days, it's like 1 hour training. You will be able to learn the basics of affiliate marketing. If you're a beginner, I'm saying basic affiliate marketing and how to build a passive system, like how to build that system and how to drive traffic. These 2 days, if you see this, day 3, this thing here, like 1 hour, 20 minutes is like a golden nuggets. Okay, you will really know, because I always say the most important part on affiliate marketing is people do struggle is because of traffic. So this solves that one. And this one here, day 2, is exactly, you should be able to learn what it is and how to put together an affiliate marketing system, which is like once done, the next part is you don't need to touch that one. Of course, you can edit and all those things, but only thing you have to do is drive traffic to that system. So this is exactly as he calls it as 6-figure funnel. Of course, there are lots of other things are there. This also, although I say $7, there are other charges are there, like for your funnel building and stuff. If you're really, you can think out of the box. You don't need to go to ClickFunnels. Of course, I use ClickFunnels, but he recommends ClickFunnels. But if you can't afford to, you can always go to Free Funnel Builder, use it through Elementor. There are lots of ways, or Optimize Press. There are cheaper ways to funnel building as well. But I'm saying because many people will not tell only $7, but there are other costs to it, which is like autoresponder that is bare minimum. You need to have it. If you can't afford GetResponse, what he recommends, you can always go for a MailChimp and other things with the cheaper free versions, or even Aweber free versions. But with this $7, you will be able to learn the basics, top basics and top secrets of affiliate marketing. This is exactly the basics. Of course, you can always go to YouTube channels and learn, but he shows exactly how to put together the entire funnel and how to drive traffic. These 3 days is totally worth it for $7 if we can afford it. Okay, because the reason why I'm going to show you this thing here at the bottom here, this is part of his high ticket program, which is like more than $1,000. Okay, it's something many people will say I can't afford it and stuff, but that's why I'm saying, if even if you want to test this product, whether it is worth to buy this Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 or the affiliate stacking system what he talks about, you can always test this one and see how he's training for the $7. I have bought it, I have tested it, it is totally worth it. If you want it, you can try it out. Okay, that's one thing. So let me show you the main part of the video is what this high ticket product Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. As I always said, many people who brings out the second version means they have been able to successfully launch the first, and they have been able to keep those customers intact for so long. That's the reason he has brought the second version. So let me show you what you are able to get with that one. Okay, this is exactly, I'm going to show you the part by part. See, growing on YouTube. As I always said, the toughest part of affiliate marketing is traffic. He covers it in such a way, the free version it's like you don't need to even think about the paid version. Of course, there are paid versions are there, but the way he teaches is that you can, it's what, as many people say, if you're not able to get results organically, it's very hard to get results with the paid one. So you need to master the free organic traffic. So in that sense, he makes a big difference. He really trains that properly. See this growing on YouTube, live training, everything. It's like top notch ones. Then exactly he will teach this also. See, let me show you. Here we go. This is what my best part is actually here. Free traffic with YouTube. There we go. Free traffic with TikTok. Absolutely, I'm telling you guys, I'm able to reach around 10,000 within 1 month. I'm around 9,000 now. I think I'm going to reach 10,000 with the TikTok traffic. Okay, it's really awesome. Really, before I thought TikTok is only for dance and all those stuff, but really there are lots of people who are looking for how to make money online. I was able to learn from here. Anyways, then free traffic with Facebook. But this is my trending one, okay? Although, of course, I've been YouTube always, but TikTok is my trending part. So these things are really golden one, guys, these three. Anyway, so let me start with first, you get the YouTube live training, how to grow on YouTube, then exact YouTube scripts, freedom. This is exactly the course, what the course involves. Then here we go. This is where the module starts actually. The basics of this one. What is affiliate stacking ecosystem? Basically, it means that I'll just give a gist. It talks about how, in order to promote a main product, you also promote a smaller base products which is surrounding that main product. So that's what, in overall picture, what is the stacking ecosystem. So if you're trying to promote a legendary marketer, you will be able to promote other smaller products similar to that. And in the end, you can promote the high ticket product. That's what it talks about in that stacking ecosystem. Then we have the perfect affiliate funnel, which he gives you. And the best part of having this one is he is giving away his entire funnel, and he is going to allow you to white label it. That means it's like become yours. It's your own product. Then you will be able to promote it. That's how he is giving. He's basically, once he teaches that, you don't need to take like 1 year or 2 years to put together everything, even months. Within days, you'll be able to put together your own funnels. That's what he has done. Anyway, next one is email marketing mastery. Here we go. So then you have kings of, that's what I talked about. This is to my knowledge, any product, I will say traffic is the golden part. That's the most important part. If somebody can teach you the real secrets of traffic, that product is really good. Okay, this is where people struggle. So he really has done a very good part with these things. Then we have like his own, these are all the top guys in this industry. So he has put together he has like partnered with them, and he's providing us with their secrets. Okay, this you can see high ticket secrets from Joshua. Then creating an affiliate website, if you want, is through website as well. He's showing how to do it through website. Then with Nathan Lucas, he's a top guy with Google. So he is showing his secrets as well. He has partnered with them, then paid traffic with Google Ads. See, so I said, even if without going to paid traffic, you should be able to get traffic with these three steps. Because rather than you don't want to pay more after getting these three steps here, with it's like golden nuggets. You should be able to get it traffic. That's the best part. Without going to pay traffic. Then launch hacking, it's what I do normally, which is promoting products when they launch. Then this is where the big bonuses are. You'll be able to, what he has done is, once if you're going to buy this product, of course, if you can, just click the link in the bio. So I do get a commission. So that's what I do, affiliate marketing. So I'm going to put the link in the bio. If you really found value from this video, you can click the link and buy it. What happens is that with that 75% commission is, if you're going to promote his own product, you'll be able to get like 75%. Normally, any affiliate marketing, they will give you 30, 40, maximum 50. But when you buy the product, he's giving you one. Like it's very rare to see anybody give you a 75% commission. So that, and the thing is, you can't really promote a product without buying a product. And the reason is you need to believe in it. So that's, he stresses so much. If you believe in legendary marketer, if you believe in the other guys top, that's what you need to promote. That's what he teaches actually. He teaches you can promote any product with the system, but he also gives you the option to promote his own product with that 75% commission. Okay, that's a bonus. Then this my affiliate is he has put together his own because his students who have been successful are able to show their secrets. That's what he has put together in this one here, and then upgrade actually. From the first version, if you have got the first version, you can upgrade to the second version. That's the extra part here. Anyway, so this is exactly Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 affiliate stacking ecosystem. As I said, he has completely redone the entire part from the first one to the second one. That in itself shows that how he has been able to successful with this program. So this is exactly, guys, I want to show you. Even before you want to go and buy that big product, I would recommend go and try this one. I'll leave a link to both, which is only for $7 to test whether it is worth it or not. Then once you know what knowledge you learn from these 3 days, then you can think about going and buying this big product, which is for the 1497. Honestly, guys, the first one was 997. So the reason why he's able to increase the price is he is able to get results for his students. That's the reason he can really increase. Not easily anybody will put a high price on his product. Because he was able to get results on his product, he is able to increase in the second version the price. Anyway, even before thinking about going that price, I would recommend just try this $7 one and think whether it is worth it or not for you. Of course, guys, nothing, once you buy, don't think you're going to become like a millionaire the next day. Everything requires 6 months to 1 year strategy. Okay, everything you need to work hard 24/7. I always say it is not, you need to work hard. At least, if you're part-time, okay, evening you could come and do work. But if you can full-time work all day long, or in the evening, if you're working like day jobs, come in the evening and work. Minimum allocate 6 months to 1 year and you should be able to get results. There's no doubt about it. To be knowledge, just by doing the TikTok, I was able to get lots of leads and sales. That's the power of, when you are able to learn those secrets from the top guys. You will be able to get results. That's the truth. Never reinvent the wheel. That's I always say, whatever is working for him, you trying it and it will work for you 99% of the time. This is what in affiliate marketing. Of course, it changes in different stages. If it is new product, if it is a Snapchat, it is different. But whatever the trend, the current trend, that is what it's teaching. That's what I want to stress you. Anyway, I would always recommend try his product first for the $7 and then think about the next stage of the high ticket product. Okay, that's it, guys. That's all about the Freedom Breakthrough. I'm going to leave a link to the sales page as well as the 3-day challenge one, as well as the main affiliate stacking ecosystem. Once you like it, you can, if you've made up your mind and if you can afford to pay it, then go for it. Don't go for it and with buying with a credit card. I don't really recommend that, not at all. Always buy only if you can afford to pay and then test it out. Don't just go and buy it with your credit card just for the purpose of buying. Only if you are able to spend at least an hour, 2 hours each and every day, then go buy it. Because after buying it, if you don't spend money to follow each and every video, then it will be zero value. Okay, unless otherwise you're able to put time you will not be able to be successful. That's the most important info I need to tell you. Anyway, that's it, guys. I don't take too much of your time. So this is my YouTube channel. If you're first time watching, make sure to subscribe. I do provide videos on the best guys in the industry as well as new products whichever is coming in. And of course, I do test 90% of the time most of the products. You know, some products might be which is not I test, but I do tell you the secrets or the disadvantages or the cons and pros, what is happening. Anyway, so if you're first time watching, make sure to click the link in the bio, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to buy this product, Freedom Breakthrough, click the link in the bio. I'm going to put both 3-day challenge as well as the high ticket product. You can decide which is good for you. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.